Hi class. Today's lesson is 11-6. It's on subtracting integers. Let's take a look at the purpose. Our purpose in 3 words is to subtract integers. No vocabulary for today. I do want you to go ahead and copy this information down. We're first going to look at number lines here. How they're involved with subtraction. Here we have subtracting integers on a number line. Move left on a number line to subtract a positive integer. Move right on a number line to subtract a negative integer. Now, that's probably a little hard to understand until we actually see an example. So let's go ahead and look at an example. By the way, this click here is for me. If you click on this during the play of this video, it doesn't do anything. Alright, here we have 7 subtract 4. This is a problem that we're very familiar with because up until this point we've only subtracted positive numbers, whole numbers. Here we have 7. We go up 7. Then we subtract 4. Notice when we subtract a positive number, we're actually moving toward the left in a negative direction. I'll say that again. When we subtract a positive number, we're moving towards 0 to the left. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Next example, we have 2 negative numbers. Here we've got a negative number, subtract another negative number. So we start at 0, find where negative 8 is, and then we subtract a negative 2. When we subtract a negative number, once again, we want to move towards 0. We're going to move to the right. Negative 8 subtract a negative 2 is a negative 6. All right, here's a problem that I want you to do, and I'll take you halfway through it. Here we have a 7 subtract a negative 3. There's a little nuance here that we need to be aware of, but let me go ahead and draw a number line. Put the 0 mark here. Now instead of drawing a line where 7 is, I'm just going to actually put a dot where 7 is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where 5 is. And that's where the 10 is. So check this out. We're going to start here on 7. That's where 7 is. And now what's going to happen is I'm going to subtract a negative 3. Well, when I subtract a negative, I'm actually going to move, instead of to the left, I'm going to move to the right. If you recall, here when we subtracted a negative number, we moved toward the right. I'm going to do the same here. So 7 subtract a negative 3, we move to the right. 1, 2, 3. Gives us 10. Now a great way to think about this, oh, well, I guess I was going to complete the problem, was it? I completed it for you. We'll just use that as another example. What a great thing about this is, can you see a shortcut? Can you see what we can do about this expression? Another way to write it in order to get 10. All right, we'll see you in class.